Hi all, welcome to our channel. So, first of all, the question is sir, I'm unable to add YouTube thumbnail and particular videos. What is the main drawback? Any videos is adding on YouTube channel. I'm selecting one of the channel is called Online Shopping Prashant. So, he's creating new channel will be here. In a particular channel is unable to add the YouTube thumbnail. What is the behind reason before that? Go to settings. What are the permissions we can given by the channel? Future eligibility. When you are active your phone number, it is adding for custom thumbnail on your particular YouTube channel option. If you want to add any third party tool also will be, they reflect on your particular YouTube thumbnail adding. So compulsory, you can add any custom thumbnail. You have to verify with your phone number on your particular YouTube channel option. If you're not eligible your custom thumbnail, it will not affected by the to add the thumbnails on your particular YouTube channel option. So compulsory activate your phone number and add your thumbnail properly. Any further question to contact our channel, definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.